definitely went to another consultants before coming to SICS. My experience there was not very good. They were not very helpful.
Hi, Avika.
Hello, ma'am.
First of all, many congratulations to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So tell me, which country, which course, and which university?
I'm going to Griffith University, Australia, Gold Coast campus, and I'll be pursuing a dual degree, which is Bachelor's in Business and Design.
Wow, a dual degree. Okay, all right. Before we get into details, I think we need to backtrack a little bit and start the story from the beginning. Yeah. So tell me, did you straight away come to SICS या कहीं और भी गए थे? SICS के बारे में कैसे पता चला? और फिर यहाँ आने का decision on what basis did you take?
Yes, I definitely went to another consultants before coming to SICS. I went there from a friend's recommendation. My experience there was not very good. They were not very helpful. The teachers were only coming and going out. They were not teaching anything. SICS, I came again from a friend's recommendation. I joined at SICS. When I talked to Sanjay sir, he like on the first meeting only he cleared out all my doubts regarding study abroad. What should I pursue next, and from where should I start, and the direction he gave me, like what to do next. Yes.
Great. Thank you so much for saying all those lovely things. Avika, tell me. So when you were preparing for IELTS from SICS, okay, exam देखने देने गए IELTS का actual exam, तो जो SICS में आपको study material test paper दिया गया था, क्या वो at par था exam के लिए या नहीं था?
It was over par.
Oh, I love that. It was over par. Okay.
Because here at SICS they train you for the hardest. Like you can like give any English exam. The SICS they'll train you from zero to end.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. अब बात करते हैं visa process की. Okay. So how was the experience during the visa process?
The team members, everyone was very supportive for me. They were readily available whenever my parents needed them, especially my father as he lives abroad. So the Sanjay sir, Shiva sir, Vinesh sir, Vandana ma'am, all were readily available at call. Whenever he called, they answered the call. I definitely recommend ICICS to come, like everyone who all are planning to pursue to study abroad.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Avika. All right. Now, well, we know studying abroad is expensive. Australia also not the most affordable country in the world. It is expensive to go to Australia. So a lot of students go for study abroad loan as well through our subsidiary Sage EduLoan. So did you also get loan assistance from SICS, from Sage? And if you did, how was that experience?
Yes, the experience was very good. Shiva sir was personally there at the bank to help us during our loan process.
Wow. Now, what would you like to say to the people who dream about studying abroad one day like you? What would you like to say to them about SICS, SICS's services or people?
Teachers here are definitely very good. I highly recommend to come here, take a demo class and then say the final word. Am I right or wrong? I will be right because you love it here. It's a homely environment. Everyone is so friendly, so good to you. You'll definitely like it here. Also, to all the people or students out there who are planning to study abroad, I'd like to give you only one advice. Take the risk, come out of your comfort zone and go abroad, study abroad. It's a nice experience you'll have. I'm going to have this experience myself.
Thank you so much, Avika. All the very best for your future. And I hope you go there, you enjoy your life, you make a bright future for yourself. And next time when you come back, I would like to listen about all the experiences that you have had in Australia.
Thank you, ma'am. I like to share it.
We will
Yes,
definitely
we
do
will.
that. Thank you. So you see, हो सकता है आपको डर लग रहा हो सकता है आप कंफ्यूज हो सकता है आपको गाइडेंस ना मिल रहा हो, ऑप्शंस ना मिल रहे हो सकता है आपको ये दिमाग में ख्याल आ रहा हो यार कि अब्रॉड जाने के लिए बहुत ही ब्रिलियंट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है या बहुत सारा पैसा होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, XYZ, वट एवर like you have in your mind as a doubt, अगर आपके दिमाग में, दिल में कहीं भी एक छोटा सा सपना पल रहा है कि मैं भी बाहर जाके पढ़ सकूं, all you have to do is either call on the number given on your screen right now and we will answer every query for you, or walk into our office which is now not only in city center, we are also available in DD Nagar. So walk into any of our offices and you will get all kinds of assistance under one roof. We are your one-stop solution to everything related to study abroad. Thank you.